In MAP configuration, you manage the minimum advertised price for each of your products. These prices are the reference Aperture uses for all violation detection. You can see which products have an active MAP price, which are scheduled to start, and which have expired, using the status filters along the top. To set prices in bulk, download the template, fill in your MAP prices, and upload the file. Products that had no price are now active and being monitored. To manage a single product, open its Actions menu. From here, you can add a price, update it, or set a start and end date. If a MAP price should no longer apply, you can end it from a chosen date. Ending keeps the full history and stops monitoring from that day forward. Or you can delete it entirely. Deleting removes the price from the product and still keeps an audit log of the change. That activity is recorded here, so every price you set, change, or remove stays clear and traceable for your team. Set it once. Detection does the rest.